How to update applications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, you need to go to Play Store and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now tap on Manage Apps and Device. And here is your updates section. Now all apps up to date, but if you have outdated apps, you will see updates available here. Anyway, you can tap on this item and check for updates. Everything is really up to date, but if you have some outdated apps, you will see on options to update. Here you can update all at once or update one by one and so on. Also, you can check for updates in Galaxy Store. To find Galaxy Store, if you don't have this icon on your home screen, swipe up from the bottom and find Galaxy Store in All Apps menu. Now tap on Store, close this. Once opened, tap on Menu and tap on Updates icon over here. And as we can see, we have updates, but Google haven't found it. So let's update all applications. And now the phone is up to date. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome.